Hello guys, let's make plantain chips together. So in this video I'll be using unripe plantain to make my plantain chips. You can either use the ripe plantain or the unripe plantain, but I chose to use the unripe one because that's what I have. Okay, so you start by grating your plantain. Slicing your plantain, sorry. You slice your plantain into slim bits. Okay, if you have this grater, it makes the work easier for you. You can use your hand to do it, but if you have this grater, it makes the work easier for you. So the next thing to do is to add a little bit of salt to your already sliced plantain. Just a little bit of salt. You can do without adding any salt, but I prefer mine with a bit of salt. So I'm putting my oil in my pan. You allow your oil to heat up well, then you throw in your already sliced plantain into the hot oil. Okay, and you fry until it is golden brown. That is when you until you notice that it has actually dried off and it has changed color. Okay, so here I am stirring. You stir, 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 stir. You keep an eye on it because there's a tendency it can get burnt if you're not focused on it. So my plantain chips is ready, guys. It's ready. Okay, so you scoop out of the oil and voila, you have your plantain chips. So here's our plantain chips, guys. It's ready. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. So I allowed it to cool for a while and then I packed them into my plastic cans, as you can see. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this and if you'll be giving it a try. See you in my next video. Bye.